This illustration deals with protection for boathouses in accordance with 210.8A8 is in Apple. And remember, when we reviewed figure 10-22, we showed all these areas where GFCI protection was required for those 120 volt, 15 or 20 amp receptacles, basically where they were required. Now notice a receptacle GFCI protection protected is required for protection for boathouses, and here we're calling up this GFCI protection for boathouses is illustrated as an area in figure 10-22, but we're highlighting it here. So protection for boathouses in accordance with 210.8A8 is what figure 10-32 is illustrating.